Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my turkey taco bowl recipe. I posted this on Instagram and a bunch of people messaged me and asked me for the recipe. It's so easy and such a staple in our house. I love to make it because it lasts 4 to 5 days in the fridge and it's just quick, easy, and is so delicious. I use any kind of rice. I had these couple of the Uncle Ben's Ready rice in my pantry that needed to be used up, so I use that. I make the turkey, just crumble it all up, add my homemade taco seasoning. I always put taco sauce in the meat. I just feel like it makes it taste not as dry, because sometimes the meat can tend to get dry. So I add that in there. Super easy. Add whatever toppings you like to do on tacos. I did the rice, then the ground turkey, corn, salsa, and some mixed cheese. And then on the side, when we take it with us for lunch or we have it for dinner, we usually top it with sometimes some lettuce or some sour cream. And that is it for today's video. It's so easy. You can really customize these and make them any way you'd like. Perfect for meal prep. It didn't take long at all to make, and they last during the week. And you can take them for lunch, you can take them for dinner, really anything, however you like them. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.